Stop wasting hours trying to figure out if your business is actually making a profit. Look at this. This is a fully automated monthly sales progress tracker built right inside Google Sheets, and it does all the heavy lifting for you. You get a clean, professional dashboard that instantly updates your monthly sales, profit and loss, average sales, and your exact growth percentages. Just plug in your daily data right here, like your actual sales and weather conditions. And the spreadsheet automatically calculates your achievement percentages and tracks your progress against your goals in real time. No confusing formulas, no manual math, and it comes with a complete, step-by-step guide so you can set it up in seconds. The best part? You can get this exact, fully automated template right now for only $5. Click the link below, grab your copy, and start tracking your business growth like a pro today.